Hey there, crafting enthusiasts. It's your crafting companion, Ruby, here with another exciting episode of Crafting with the Queen. A warm welcome to all my loyal subscribers who keep coming back for more creativity inspiration. And a special shout out to our new friends who just joined the Crafting Kingdom. Before we dive into today's crafting adventures, remember to show some love by clicking that like button. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on any of our fantastic DIY projects and crafting magic. As we all know, crafting is the art of turning nothing into something truly extraordinary. And today we got something extra special in store for you. So without further ado, let's grab our supplies, unleash our creativity, and get crafting. Hey everyone, this is Ruby with Crafting with the Queen. Today I am going to show you how I remodeled my guest bathroom that had very bad mold in it. We're going to be doing this on a budget. Keep watching. I am working on a project at my home, redoing the guest bathroom, and I've already painted the walls. They were white. I already painted the walls, but I wanted to change the cabinet, the sink cabinet, and repaint that. So what I'm going to show you is I've already sanded. This. I've also am prepping it to put paint on it, cabinet paint on it. I'm also going to epoxy the actual sink in this bathroom to the design I want, but I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. So this is the cabinet that I'm working on, and so I'm putting white primer on it because I'm going to be doing a darker gray on this. I will be showing you the steps, step by step, what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I finished painting the inside of the sink with epoxy paint. It's a coating of white paint inside the sink, and I'm going to let that dry overnight, but I'm going to go ahead and paint the cabinet, and I just put a coat of white primer on it so that when I put the color on it, it would adhere and bring out the color much better. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the cabinet part and paint that. I've taken the doors off and painted that as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The sink will actually dry overnight, and then we can start the epoxy mix on this. Okay, so I finished painting the top of the sink with the epoxy white paint, and then I also painted the cabinet black. Remember, I put the coating of white primer on it first, and then as you can see, I put the black. Well, it's not black, it's actually supposed to be gray, a dark gray. And I did it on the side as well. Let's see if you can see this. And I did it on the side as well. So I have to wait until it dries before I do anything else, because I think I'm going to need to put another coat or some more black in places that I see white is there. And then I need to come back here on the side here, and I don't know if you can see that, on the side where I went off, I need to paint that back blue. So this is the process. So the next step would be touch up. I want to be transparent to you. about the P-trap. Make sure you take the P-trap off before you start the epoxy. I made the mistake in not taking it off, so it stopped my sink up. So make sure you take off the P-trap before you start the epoxy process. So this is 3 pours, different colors of epoxy for the bathroom sink. So looks like it's turned out really good. I will pull the tape so I can do the sides so it can just run down. But again, I have to get into the sink and pull the paper towel out and put more paper towel in it. But I gotta soak it up. But overall, it turned out really good. I did skip a process of showing you how I poured this onto the sink. My apologies, but stay tuned to future videos and you'll be able to see how I poured this on. This is on the sink. This is how the design came out. Now, I'm going to show you inside the sink where the hole is. I had tissue in here, or a piece of paper towel, so it wouldn't go down the drain. So now I need to correct this here. So I'm going to use this heat gun to heat up the epoxy so it can melt towards this tape. And that's what I should have put down before, is the tape, so it wouldn't have the indent here, as you can see. I added another clear coat epoxy on top of the coat that I put on. So it's actually 2 coats of epoxy. One with the color you put down first, and then the clear coat that you put over that. Any bubbles or anything, you sand it down before you put down the clear coat. I also sprayed some alcohol on it to actually pop the bubbles in the epoxy. And we're going to let this dry overnight, and we will see the final project, the final outcome of this. To my subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the notification so when I do upload new videos, you'll be notified. Until next time, we will see you in the next video.